Summit County in northeastern Ohio, East Central Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dalton, or 14 miles east of Worcester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Canton, Massillon, Green, North Canton, Louisville,
It's a storm that just hit us.
Brewster, Navarre, Dalton,
Yep.
Waynesburg, East Sparta, New Franklin, Canal Fulton, East Canton,
Just hit us.
Marshallville, Myers Lake, Hills and Dales, and Greentown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Stark, Summit, and Wayne.
You have 100 messages.